How to redeem a Walmart gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem a Walmart gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem a Walmart gift card online, just go to walmart.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you want to add the products that you want to buy to your cart and then tap the cart icon from the top right hand side. Now first of all, after you go here, you can just review the products and then from here just tap the checkout button. Once you tap and continue to the checkout button over here, you'll be taken to this page where you can see we only have payment method where you have to enter your card number. Now you just have to enter your gift card number right in this card option page, because if you look pay with card, one of the card that you can see over here is a little gift card icon, which means they accept gift card, but there isn't another button to enter gift card. All you have to do is make sure to enter the code of the gift card here and then tap the continue option to review the changes. This way you can redeem a Walmart gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.